Okay, hello everyone. Now we will start with Creo Parametric. Open Creo Parametric. It may take some time. So this is Creo Parametric. Now create a new file. Select part and solid. Okay, select millimeters. Now everything what we draw will be in millimeters. Now first you need to define a plane in which you are going to draw something. Suppose we have to create a. So first we'll start with the extrude command. So first we need to define a plane. There are two ways to use extrude. First one is first select a plane either from this side or directly you can select the plane. Suppose I'm going to select this one, right plane. Now sketch. This is for creating the screen normal to you. Now draw anything, whatever profile you want to extrude. Just click like this. Center click your mouse button. The scroll button, just click it. Now you'll get the dimensions. Change the dimension 50. This is going to be 350. Now this is a rectangular profile. Now I want to extrude this. Just click OK. Now to extrude this profile, select the extrude command. Automatically it will extrude. Now either you can change the dimension directly from here. Suppose make it 50, or you can change this from here 100. Now this extrude is above the selected plane in which we have drawn the profile. Now if you want this thing to below the profile, just reverse the direction. So in this way we can do this, or just select the mid plane option, this one. So it means this extrude will be equally distributed over this plane, half above the plane and half below the plane. Now just press OK. So this is the extrude part. Now another step to create this thing is first you can directly start with the extrude command. Now here you have to define a plane which will be, again you can select from here or directly from here. Suppose again we are going with right plane. Just not taking right, so go with front. Now just make it normal. Draw a profile here. Select the center mouse. Click the center mouse button. Now change the dimension 200. This is going to be 200. Just press OK. Now this profile is automatically getting extrude. Now you can change the dimension from here or from here, or you can flip the direction. Right now it is to the left side of the plane. You can just flip it to the reverse side, or you can define it with the help of mid plane, equally distributed about the front plane. Just press OK. So these are the two ways in which you can use an extrude command. Thank you.